We are going to learn Quick Test Professional. Quick Test Professional, also called QTP, is a functional test automation tool. It is a GUI testing tool from HP Software that allows the automation of user actions on several web-based and client-based applications developed with a variety of technologies. QTP uses a scripting language built on top of VBScript to specify the test procedure and to manipulate the objects and controls of the application under test. But before getting into Quick Test Professional, let us see what is automation. Fundamentals of automation. The background. What is automation? So basically, since we are into testing, we'll discuss particularly about what is automation testing. Now, as you know, in testing we have test cases which involve manual intervention. When you're testing an application, GUI based or web based, you need manual intervention. For example, suppose you're logging into a website like ICICI Bank. You have to enter the ID, password, and then click on the login button, and you're taken inside the home page of the website. Now suppose you have to check your balance. You go to account summary, you check your balance, and after that, once you check your balance, you click on the logout button and come out. Now as you can see, there's manual intervention in this. You need to enter the ID, password, clicking on the login button, and then checking out the balance, whether the balance is correct, what you're expecting it to be, and then you're clicking on the logout button. So as you can see, the manual intervention which is involved in manual testing, this is automated with the use of QTP. That is, once you automate a test case, a negligible manual intervention. So now we'll see what is the requirement of automation. Manual testing has always been a part of testing, but why did automation come up? Now if you see the background, the emergence of software testing automation tools. Over the past few years, the lives of the programmers have become easier as more and more tools are available in the market to develop the application in less time. As a result, this has increased the pressure on the testers tremendously. Testers have to deliver the product in less time, and they are often being observed as the bottlenecks in the cycle. Nowadays, there are several tools available in the market that help the testers in test automation by reducing the test time, as well as the cost by increasing the test coverage with respect to time. Test automation has emerged as a very important phase in the software development life cycle. In fact, test automation itself is treated as a separate development cycle. It has got its own process and methodology, which will be explained further. There are various test automation tools which are based on record and playback features that basically it allows user to record interactively users actions and then replay it for the number of times. However, record and playback doesn't comprehend software test automation. Most of the times in real time, you need to do the coding for accomplishing several tasks. Why QTP? QTP has proven to be a very successful tool in the market. QTP is compatible for different applications such as SAP, Java, .NET, web-based, etc. The reporting in QTP is excellent and provides detailed analysis of the results. However, it has to be understood that automation is not a replacement to manual testing. Test automation is expensive and it's an addition, not a replacement to manual testing. And it can be made cost effective in the long term though, especially in regression testing. I'll explain you what is regression testing later on, but yeah. To reap good benefits from test automation, you need to have a very good planning. Otherwise, it's just a burden.